Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Punjabi Chole, also known as chickpea curry. For this recipe, we're going to need boiled white chana or chickpeas, oil, onion, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, green chili pepper, cilantro, Degi, Mirch or red chili pepper, salt, asafoetida or hing powder, Garam Masala, Kasoori Methi, Turmeric Powder, cinnamon sticks, black pepper whole, black cardamom, cloves, and some water. Okay, I turn on the stove. We're gonna add oil in there. Trying to avoid so much oil, but see. So my oil is hot. I'm adding a Tej Patta bay leaf, black cardamom, whole cinnamon stick, some cloves, and finally I'm adding a black pepper and cumin seeds. I am adding onion. It's finely chopped. I'm going to add more oil. It looks good. I'm going to add chili pepper in there. Now we can add some salt. Ginger, garlic. I don't want too much cook. Turmeric powder, we're adding red chili pepper, it gives the nice color. Now we are adding tomato. Let it cook for a little bit. Now we can add the garbanzo beans, chickpeas or white chana. I washed them because I don't want to use when I'm using a can stuff, I always wash them. I don't know. Usually I make my own, I boiled my own chanas, but this time I did not. Looks pretty good. If you don't want gravy in there, you can eat like that, but I am making with the gravy. So I don't. Okay, we're going to add some water in there. Not too much. Looks beautiful. So we're gonna cook for a little bit. At the same time, I'm gonna add the fenugreek leaves, also called Kasoori Methi, and it's add a really nice flavor into it. Sorry about that. I'm adding a little more water, and we're gonna cover it and cook on maybe medium flame. Let's check it. We can add a Garam Masala at this point so it can mix well with it. Okay, it looks good because all our ingredients basically cooked. So I'm gonna add a cilantro. Seems like our Punjabi Choles are ready. Let's plate them. Okay, here is our Punjabi Chole or chickpea curry is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. I will see you with the next video. Until then, take care of yourself.